Canada has announced a 10% reduction in international student permits for 2025, aiming to address strains on housing and healthcare systems. In this video, we'll explore what this means for you, how to strengthen your application, alternative study destinations, and the broader implications of these changes. Before we begin, just don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Well, in 2025, Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada (IRCC) plans to issue 4,37,000 study permits, a 10% decrease from the previous year. This reduction aims to alleviate pressures on housing and healthcare systems, particularly in major cities like Toronto and Vancouver. Consequently, provinces with higher international student populations may experience more significant impact. Applicants are now required to submit a provincial or territorial attestation letter (PAL or TAL), ensuring compliance with these new caps. With increased competition, it's crucial कि आप ऐसी अपनी application को बनाओ that stand out. Here are some strategies for same. Number 1, academic excellence. Maintain strong grades जिससे आप अपनी dedication and capability को showcase कर सको. Second है relevant experience. Engage in internships, research projects or volunteer work related to your field of study. Number 3, compelling statement of purpose. SOP, अपने academic goals, reasons for choosing Canada and how this program aligns with your career aspirations, इन बातों को clearly express करो. Number 4, strong letters of recommendation. Obtain endorsements from educators or professionals who can vouch for your skills and character. Number 5, proof of financial stability. Demonstrate sufficient funds to cover tuition and living expenses, addressing concerns about financial preparedness. Number 6, timely application. Apply early to increase your chances, as delays can directly affect your application's success. Number 7, English language proficiency. Achieve high scores in tests like IELTS or TOEFL to meet the language requirements. Number 8, provincial nominee programs, that is PNPs. Consider applying to institutions in provinces with PNPs that favor international students, potentially easing the pathway to permanent residency. Number 9, compliance with new regulations. Ensure your chosen program aligns with Canada's labor market needs, क्योंकि पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट वर्क परमिट्स की एलिजिबिलिटी अब इस अलाइनमेंट पे ही डिपेंड करती है. Number 10, professional guidance. Of course, seek advice from educational consultants or mentors familiar with the Canadian education system to refine your application. Implementing these strategies can significantly enhance your application's competitiveness. Given the heightened competition for Canadian study permits, it's prudent to explore other countries too that offer excellent educational opportunities to you. So let's delve into 5 such attractive destinations like the United Kingdom, Ireland, the United States, New Zealand and Australia. हर एक country international students के लिए unique advantages offer करती है. Moving to number 1, United Kingdom. First pointer, prestigious universities यहाँ आपको मिलेंगे. The UK is home to some of the world's most renowned institutions such as the University of Oxford and the London School of Economics. Number 2, diverse range of programs. UK universities offer a wide array of courses, allowing students to tailor their education to specific interests and career goals. Number 3, shorter course durations. Many undergraduate degrees can be completed in 3 years and master's programs often in 1 year, enabling students to enter the workforce sooner. Number 4, post-study work opportunities. The graduate route visa allows international students to remain in the UK for up to 2 years after graduation to seek employment. बात करते हैं अब आयरलैंड की। नंबर 1, हाई क्वालिटी एजुकेशन। आयरिश यूनिवर्सिटीज अपनी रिसर्च एंड टीचिंग एक्सीलेंस के लिए ग्लोबली रिकॉग्नाइज्ड है एंड एवरीबडी नोज इट। Number 2, English speaking environment. As an English speaking country, Ireland international students को comfortable setting offer करता है to adapt both academically and socially. Number 3, growing tech industry. Ireland hosts numerous multinational tech companies providing ample internship and employment opportunities for graduates. Number 4, post-study work visa. Graduates can avail of the third level graduate program जो कि उन्हें allow करता है to stay and work in Ireland for up to 2 years after their post graduation. Now coming to the United States. First pointer है इसका diverse institutions. The US boasts a vast array of universities and colleges catering to various academic interests and cultural experiences. Secondly, research opportunities. Many US institutions emphasize research to students जो कि उन्हें cutting edge projects में hands-on experience offer करती है. Number 3, flexible education system. The US education system allows students to explore different subjects before declaring a major one, providing a well-rounded academic experience to them. Number 4, cultural diversity. With students from all over the world studying in the US offers a rich multicultural environment to them. और अब बात करते हैं न्यूजीलैंड की। नंबर 1 यहाँ आता है क्वालिटी एजुकेशन। न्यूजीलैंड की यूनिवर्सिटीज जानी ही अपनी हाई एकेडमिक स्टैंडर्ड्स और इनोवेटिव टीचिंग मेथड्स के लिए हैं। Number 2, their welcoming environment. The country is renowned for its friendly and safe communities, making it an attractive destination for international students. Number 3, post-study work rights. Graduates can apply for a post-study work visa, allowing them to gain practical experience in New Zealand for up to 3 years. Well, yes. Number 4, stunning natural landscapes. Beyond academics, students can enjoy New Zealand's breathtaking scenery and outdoor activities. Coming to the last but not the least, Australia. Number 1, globally recognized universities. Australia hosts several top-ranking universities known for their research and teaching excellence. Number 2, post-study work opportunities. International graduates can benefit from post-study work visas, enabling them to gain valuable work experience in Australia. Number 3, multicultural society. Australia's diverse population ensures a rich cultural experience for international students. Number 4, innovative curriculum. Institutions like the newly formed Adelaide University are integrating AI and data technology education across all degrees, ensuring graduates are equipped with modern industry skills. While each of these countries offers unique benefits and opportunities, it's essential to research thoroughly and consider factors such as course offerings, cultural environment, post-study work options, and long-term career goals to find the best fit for your academic journey. बात करें insights की, so the reduction in study permits aims to ease the strain on Canada's housing and healthcare systems, जो कि rapid population की growth की वजह से pressure में है. International students often face challenges in securing affordable housing and accessing timely healthcare services out there. By limiting the number of incoming students, the government hopes to improve the availability and quality of these essential services. However, this also means that those who do secure permits may benefit from better infrastructure and support during their stay. Well, navigating these changes can be challenging, but we assist you with all of the personalized application guidance, alternative country counseling, financial planning assistance, visa interview preparation, post-arrival support, and whatnot. Also, the best part, our services are totally free for you. To get started, just fill out the Google form link in the description below, and one of our expert counselors will reach out to you very shortly. Till then, do like this video, share it, and do subscribe to our channel for more such informational videos.